Anyone serious in their prepping must also consider their need for first aid gear. I'm not talking about band-aids and cotton balls you get at the drugstore. I'm talking about the type of gear you'll find on the battlefield in a medic's kit, an EMT's first responder's bag, or for the law enforcement officer on the beat. A company that has been supplying those three industries for years now has stepped up to the plate and have provided the same type of products now to the civilian world. And I think we've got some great gear on tap here today you're going to find very interesting. Officer Survival Initiative have stepped up to the plate by creating a whole product line of survival medical trauma gear. Their Every Ready Pocket Aid Kit, Chest Injury Module, Bleeding Control Module, and Bird Module allows you to customize your everyday carry, your bug-out bag, or anything that you desire. The Bleeding Control Module contains two 8x10 combined dressings, two 5x9 combined dressings, two Pri-Med compressed gauze, and a pair of large surgical gloves. The Burn Module contains one 2x6-inch water gel dressing, one 4x4 water gel burn dressing, and one pair of surgical gloves. The Chest Injury Module contains one Halo Seal, one 5x9 combined dressing, two 14-gauge decompression needles, and one pair of large surgical gloves. The Pocket Aid Kit contains one SWAT tourniquet, one Pri-Med compressed gauze, 3x9-inch petroleum gauze, 5x9-inch trauma dressing, one pair of large surgical gloves, and one Quick Clot first response kit. Count on OSI to give you the best in trauma-related medical gear. If you're like me, you're behind the wheel of a motor vehicle almost every single day, and the chances of getting involved in an accident that could threaten life and limb have probabilities a little bit too high to be comfortable with. That's the reason why I stock on board the Advantage 2 Personal Vehicle Aid Kit by OSI. In a motor vehicle accident involving injury, the first things that needs to be established is to stabilize any victims as soon as possible. That means sealing any wounds or staunching any bleeding. And the Advantage 2 has that capability in spades. The Advantage 2 includes one Halo Seal, one trauma wound dressing, 4-inch hemorrhage control bandage, one pair of large surgical gloves, one Combat T tourniquet, a Laerdal face shield for CPR rescue breathing, and compressed gauze, sterile, crinkle, cotton, fluff bandage rolls. Included also is a pair of surgical shears. All packaged in a ballistic nylon, tactical black fabric case. The Advantage 2 comes with a Velcro harness for mounting on your vehicle headrest, but with the optional MOLLE harness, it can go where you go on your Alice pack or any MOLLE equipped bag. Serious prepping does need serious gear, and you can find it with Officer Survival Initiative. With their Advantage 2 Personal Vehicle Aid Kit, as well as their trauma kits, which are customizable and configurable. You can find the whole lineup at officersurvival.com.